You're watching DDS TV. So they watched and waited as two other cars drove by in that lane and then concluded that there couldn't possibly be any more cars coming. First mistake is that there were no lights in the rain. The second mistake is that the blinker doesn't equal right of way, and the third mistake is failing to yield.
It's literally a school zone. Jesus Christ. What? School zone. Jesus Christ. What?
I was waiting for the cop in the video, but was left highly disappointed. Do people like this realize that nobody likes them? The other driver says that she couldn't see the camera coming. Thankfully, there were no serious injuries other than a broken arm.
That would have been bad. You okay? Dude, that would have been so bad. Get off your phone.
The driver didn't even put the phone down to wave out the window. He's lucky that the camera was paying attention. The interaction that they had at the end was a 10 out of 10.
Are you serious?
I believe failure to signal and failure to yield carry the same penalties in New York, so it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other if double jeopardy applies. That just leaves reckless driving, which I'm guessing wouldn't stick. How dare the camera be in the lane that he wanted? What's really frustrating is, most of the time, that they think these drivers are in the right. I've had these people honk back at me, brake check me, pull up alongside me at the next light just to chew me out. That intersection is difficult because cars coming downhill from the right and they can't estimate their speed. This idiot clearly didn't bother to look beyond straight ahead. Kind of like the old Ram Tough commercials, but jokes aside, this does look like a clear-cut case of texting.
Nobody. No.
I like how nice and encouraging the camera is. I also talk to other drivers like I'm talking to a golden retriever or encouraging a toddler. It helps make light of the idiocy encountered on the road. Does everyone in California have bald tires? This is probably oil buildup on the road and then it raining, transforming the freeway into a skating rink.
What are you doing?
Stopping on the freeway is a totally idiotic, not to mention illegal move, let alone on the on-ramp traffic yield. I'm not saying don't modulate your speed to be nice and let them in, but if they're not accelerating to freeway speeds, just keep moving. This is a great example of why not to block the intersection and to not proceed through a cut-through. This is a merge version of caravanning. He knows that the camera is going to slow a little for the white car, so he abuses that to cut the camera off. Very sleazy behavior. The other car had a single driver who was taken away from the scene on a stretcher. The camera spent the rest of the day getting looked at by medical professionals.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fucking God!
Yo! Yo! Holy shit!
Stupid as stupid does, stupidly doing donuts at an intersection, and then add a layer of stupidity with street racing through an intersection on a red light. They all could have earned triple Darwin Awards. One can only hope. The driver went full Frogger on that and lost. That guy in the CRV probably thought to himself, oh, thank God they were planning to exit here too, because that could have been bad. After the crash, the driver started crying, saying that he's going to jail. The camera asked why, which is when the driver fessed up that he had no insurance and had a suspended license. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on USA-cams.com, you get 10% off and free shipping.